Hi guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cindy. I just be throwing it down in the kitchen. So I made this pasta over the summer and I haven't shared it yet, so here it is. It's super easy. It was just that I was craving pasta, so I just made it. Let me show you how I did it. So of course, in your pot, boil some water. Make sure you put salt, and when the water boils, you add your pasta, whatever pasta you like to use. I got this from TJ Maxx. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx. You get some good spices, good food, good stuff at TJ Maxx. So I'm always at TJ Maxx. So when the water boils, add in your pasta, stir, and cook according to the instructions on the package. So here are the things that I'm using. Like I said, it's super easy. I'm using burrata cheese, parmigiana, sun-dried tomatoes, some pasta tomato sauce, not like the seasoned one, just bland tomato sauce, just my cheese, some red bell, some pepper flakes because I like a little spice, and garlic and herb seasoning. It's really whatever seasoning you want to use. Like I said, it's super easy. You just go with the flow, just freestyle in it. Do whatever you want to do. And of course, some garlic, lots of garlic, some white onion, and some fresh basil. So, while the pasta is cooking, let's go ahead and start with the little sauce. Add some olive oil to your hot skillet. And we're gonna fry, well, not fry the garlic, but we're gonna saute the garlic for a few minutes, let it get some color. The garlic and the onions together. Just go ahead and fry it for a few minutes, let it get some brown color. Do this on medium heat, medium high heat. And after that, you're gonna, of course, add your sun-dried tomatoes too. No measurements really, just go with the flow. Listen to the voices of your ancestors. When they say stop, stop. If they say keep going, then you must keep on going. We are also gonna add our pepper flakes. I just add as much as you like. If you're like me, you like spicy, you can handle hot, then go ahead and add as much as you want. You can add it now, add it later, but the earlier you add it, the better it will be. It will be a lot spicier, you know what I mean? The flavors. We are now gonna add our fresh basil. If you can't find fresh, I would say use dry, but it's not the same. And our tomato sauce. Make sure the tomato sauce you get is plain tomato sauce, like I mentioned earlier. But I said it's freestyle, so do you. You're the one eating it. And then we're gonna go ahead and start the seasoning. And of course, add some pasta water to make that little sauce. And for seasoning, you can use whatever you like, really. I'm using freshly ground black pepper. Well, it's not really freshly ground. The garlic and herb seasoning, some chicken bouillon, and some oregano, and more pasta water. And once you add all this seasoning, let it simmer for a few minutes before you add the pasta. See, once you've add your spices, it would be a great time now to add your butter, but I didn't do that. So I would say right now is the perfect time to add your butter. So I add a little bit more pasta sauce because I feel like it wasn't enough. And I'm of course gonna add some fresh thyme. It's totally optional, but I love cooking with fresh herbs, so it really is up to you. It does make a difference. Yeah, fresh thyme. Like I said, it's a perfect time right now to add the butter. But I didn't. I added my butter after added my pasta, which is totally okay too. So now that you got that sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and add your pasta. I'm getting my pasta straight from the water, from the pan, from the pot. So while the pasta was cooking, I was preparing the sauce. Obviously, it doesn't take that long. So the pasta takes about 10 minutes to cook, 10 to 12 minutes. It really depends on how you like your pasta to be. So this is al dente. So while pasta was cooking, I was making the sauce. It doesn't take too long. So once you add your pasta, give it a stir. Make sure everything is evenly coated. And then now I'm gonna add the butter. You could sprinkle a bit more olive oil if you're nasty. I don't know if you guys heard about this new app from Instagram. Oh, by the way, if you're liking this video so far, hit the subscribe button or at least give it a thumbs up, that would be nice. Thank you. Yeah, the Thread app, it's an extension to the Instagram app, which I've been on. It's actually pretty fun. I'm on it on Cindy's Cooking on Thread. Go and follow me. Come join the fun. So the pasta is ready, you guys. So I'm just, grating my cheese on top, Parmigiani. And after that, I'm gonna add my burrata cheese. And this is it, y'all. It's such a satisfying meal. I love pasta, so I always make pasta a lot of different ways. Sometimes I just eat pasta with butter and cheese. Yeah, I really do enjoy pasta a lot. So that's it. I hope you liked this quick video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. If you're not on Thread, I'd say get on. It's actually a pretty fun app. It's a place where people can actually be authentic, and we don't know how long that's gonna last. So I'd say get on it, and give me a follow and interact with me. I interact back. And of course, hit the subscribe button, a reminder. Um, Thank you. Cheers.